Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to leverage eToro, a leading social trading platform that allows users to invest in various assets, including stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. The first step to leveraging eToro is to create an account, which is a straightforward process that requires basic personal and financial information. Once your account is set up, you need to understand the concept of leverage, which allows you to control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital. eToro offers various leverage options, ranging from 2x to 30x. Depending on the asset and your account type, it is essential to use leverage wisely, as it can amplify both profits and losses. To start trading on eToro, you need to deposit funds into your account. The platform supports various payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and bank transfers. After depositing funds, you can browse the platform's extensive range of assets, including popular stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. One of the key features of eToro is its social trading functionality, which allows you to follow and copy the trades of experienced investors. This feature is particularly useful for beginners, as it enables them to learn from others and make informed investment decisions. You can browse the profiles of top traders, view their performance statistics, and copy their trades with just a few clicks. To maximize your returns on eToro, it is crucial to develop a solid trading strategy. This involves setting clear goals, managing risk, and staying up to date with market trends. You can use the platform's built-in charts and analysis tools to identify trends and make informed investment decisions. Another important aspect of leveraging eToro is risk management. The platform offers various risk management tools, including stop-loss orders and take-profit orders, which allow you to limit potential losses and lock in profits. It is essential to use these tools effectively to protect your capital and maximize your returns. In conclusion, leveraging eToro requires a combination of knowledge, strategy, and risk management. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can unlock the full potential of the platform and achieve your investment goals. Remember to stay informed, manage risk, and use leverage wisely to maximize your returns on eToro.